This is final block. Final block is always executed irrespective of try catch. Okay. So if a try is linked with what? Finally, and catch is also linked with the finally. Okay. So without this finally or catch, only try is not executed. Okay. The only try condition is not valid here. So that's why final block is used to release the resources. Means what? Close the resources and connections. See this, right? Database connection is open. So to perform the transaction during this transaction, the exception is raised here. Okay. So the abnormal condition, see this. Wait, loading. See, it's the abnormal termination. Yes. And the catch is I cannot write any code in the catch. Okay, I can write only try method and the final method also. Okay, it is working or not. Now we can check this. Okay, normal termination and abnormal termination we can check in the program. Okay. See here, it means what close resources means series. This close resources means what? Close the resources means it is a databases and network and connections. Okay, the database network connections. So try block, open the connection. It is login and the final block, close the connection. Are you understood? Try block, open the connection and the final block, close the connection. It is login. Try is used for login and the final is used for close. Okay. It is starting the action. We can use what? Try. So ending the action, we can use finally. Okay. So now we can use finally. What is finally? Is method to okay. Finally is a method. Finally is a method. Okay. Finally is a method and use it to perform cleanup activities. Okay. Finally is a method and use it to perform cleanup activities. What is cleanup activities? Database connections and the file input stream. Database connection and file input streams are comes under what? Finally here. Okay. It is related to which topic? Try. Okay. Finally is related to try block. This is a method. Finally is a method here. It is available end of the code. Finally method is available in the at the end of the code. Okay. Try method is available in starting of the code and finally method is available in the end of the code. Try is used for login. Finally used for closing. Okay. So try is block opening the connection and the finally is block close the connection. Are you understood? Now we will go for program, series program. See here, here also you can see. So in finally, irrespective of errors, final block is executed. So irrespective of errors are occurred, but final block is executed. Are you understood? Same issue, same department is executed. See, this catch block is when it is executed. Same issue, same department. Okay, that's why only catch block is executed. Final block means irrespective of irrespective of errors, final block is executed. Okay, exception is what here? Root is exception is a root here. It is a common department. Okay, it will handle all the exceptions. So exception is a root here. It will handle all the exceptions. It is a common department. If there is error in try block, series. If there is error in try block, okay, and the catch block is no problem. If error is having in the try block, catch block has no problem. Okay, so final block is executed here. So see this. So error in try block, catch block has no problem. Finally is executed. Okay, so now we will go for another code series program. I can write one new program. I can close the previous programs. Close. Okay, close. See this? I can create one new class. So my class name is what? Final. Final one. Okay. So click the public static void main string out and finish. See this. This is one empty code here. Okay. This is empty code here. Okay. Now it will be executed. So I can use what? Try. Okay. I can use from try. It is executed or not. We will check this. Okay. So try. So I will give what system dot out dot println. This is which block? This is a try block. Try BLOCK. This is a try block. Okay. And we will give catch block. CATCH catch block. Catch block is what? Arithmetic exception. ARITH ME arithmetic. So arithmetic EXCEPTA exception AE. Okay. And I will open this system dot out dot PRINTLN println. This is what catch block. This is catch block. See, I will go for next one, final. Okay. So finally block. Finally, I can open this and the system dot out dot println. I can give like this. Okay. In here we can write what? Println. This is println statement. In that println we can write this is final block. Okay. This is finally BLOCK finally block. I can write like this. Okay. Now save the file. In try block. Here any errors? Actually, there is no errors here. Okay. There is no errors. There is no errors. Here also there is no three. In three conditions, there is in three statements there is no errors. See this. Here also no errors. Here also no errors. Okay. Here also no errors. Okay. Three conditions, no errors. Okay. See the output, save the file and run it. So what is the output? Only try block and final block only executed. Where is the catch block? Actually, there is a problem in try block. Then catch block is executed. Otherwise, not executed. See this. If problem in try block on, then only catch block will be executed. If there is no problem in try block, catch block is not executed here. Are you understood? Okay. When will be the catch block is executed? There is a problem in try block only, then the catch block will be executed. There is no problem in try block. The catch block is not executed here. That is the statement. Okay. So finally is executed. Why means it is irrespective of errors. Finally is definitely executed. Mandatory to execute. Okay. If you get error or without error. Finally means if you get error or without error. So final block is executed mandatory. Okay. If try block is a problem, then catch block is executed. If try block is a problem, then catch block is executed. If try block is there is no problem, okay, catch block is not executed here. That's why only try block and final block is executed. That is the console in the output. Okay, there is no problem here. This is a normal termination. This is normal termination or abnormal termination. This is a normal termination. This is normal termination. This is not. Okay, this is not a abnormal termination. Okay, so now in the previous example, same like we can give what here arithmetic expression. See this. I can give here arithmetic expression. So I can give what 10 by 0. Okay, the problem here there is error. Okay, here there is error. So this is which expression? This is the arithmetic exception. Arithmetic exception. So this is what arithmetic. Okay, arithmetic exception. This is arithmetic exception. See this, if arithmetic exception is matched with catch arithmetic exception. So this arithmetic exception, both are matched. Then, okay, then the catch will be executed here. Why means here try block has one problem. Try block have one problem here. That's why we can use arithmetic exception. This is related to arithmetic exception. I can write into the statement. Okay, then it will be executed. So it's matched with catch block. That's why normal termination catch block is executed here. Okay, catch block is executed. I can run this output. Okay, see this, run the program. Okay, catch block and final block is executed. Try is not executed. Why try is not executed? Here the statement is error. Here the statement is error. That's why this is the arithmetic exception. That exception is matched with catch exception. So that's why the program is executed here. Okay. So catch is executed. 100% problem in try block. The here 100% problem in try block. That's why catch block is executed here in this condition. Okay. So finally also executed. Why means this problem or not problem. Finally block is definitely mandatorily executed here. Are you understood? So next, I can give what? In place of arithmetic exception, I will give null pointer exception. See this null pointer exception. NULL null pointer exception. Okay. See this arithmetic exception is not matched with this null pointer exception. Here try is also error and catch is also error. Here try is also error, catch is also error. What is the output here? Only final block will be executed. Okay. It is running with or without finally is executed here. Both are not matched. See this null point exception in catch and arithmetic exception in try block. Both are not matched. Okay. Both are not matched. That's why this is here abnormal termination, this condition. Okay. Here try is not executed and catch is also not executed. Okay. After error will become after finally. See this, save the file and run it. Okay. Final block is executed, but error will become. Why? After final block, error will be come. Okay. Here try is also error and catch is also error. Why means it is both are not matching. This is null point the exception. This is arithmetic exception. Okay. Now I will give another example. See this. I can remove this null pointer. I can give what arithmetic exception. AIRITHMETIC arithmetic exception. Okay, if it is matching, yes, it is matching. Now I will give what here in catch block. I can give 10 by 10, 10 by 0. Okay, 10 by 0. See this. Here, this arithmetic exception and this arithmetic exception both are matching here. Both are matched here. But issue where this is the issue and this is the issue. These two are errors. Try contains also error and catch is also contain error. So that's why try catch is not executed. Only final block will be executed here. See this output. Run it. Only final is executed. Why try catch is not executed? Try block contains errors. Catch block also contains errors. But that exception is matched for try and catch. But in the main problem is this error. That's why try and catch is not executed. Only finally will be executed here. Okay. After error is coming also or not coming. Okay. Next I can give what same series. I can give here catch block. Another example. See this. I can give what here catch block. This is what catch block. I can give catch block. In that final block, I can give what 10 by 10, 10 by 0. See this. I can give here. Okay. First statement is not executed. This is contains error. So this is which exception? Arithmetic exception. This exception and catch exception both are matched. That's why catch block only executed and final block is not executed. Why means here error is occurred. Here the error is occurred or not? Okay. Here error is occurred. Save this file and run it. Only catch block will be executed. See here. Only catch block executed. Why finally and try not executed? Try also error. Try contains error and finally also contains the error. That's why both are not executed. Only catch will be executed. Why means here arithmetic exception both are matching. That's why catch will be executed here. Okay, both are matching. Catch block can handle the exception and here final block also problem here. Okay. So now I am going to remove catch here. So see this, I can remove here catch. Okay. I can remove the catch here. Okay. I can remove the catch here. It contains what? No error. See this. This is what? No error. Okay. I can give here try block. See this. TRYBLOCK. This is which block? This is finally block. Okay. I can write like finally BLOCK. Finally block. See this. There is no error. There is no error here. In both blocks, there is no errors. So see the output. What is the output? I catch block is removed here. Okay. See this try block and final block both are executed. By means there is no errors. Okay. But in place of catch, okay, in place of try by using catch method, definitely try will be error. Otherwise, catch will not be executed. If okay, in that situation. So try catch is valid condition. See this try catch. We can use the valid pair and try finally. It is the valid pair. Okay. Try only it is invalid. Why means it is individual is wrong here. Individual is wrong here. Are you understood? This is also a valid syntax. Okay, that's why it is executed. Okay. So next. Okay. Before the statement. So see this. So when finally get error, see this all statements finally will be executed. Only here the system.out.println we can give 10 by 0. In that statement only finally not executable. So in another statement also not execute. See this. Before try block, I can give what system.out.println before try block. Okay, I can give like this 10 by 0. Okay, see this. See here. Before statement, initially error is occurred. See this. Initially error is occurred. Okay. Before the try and finally. Okay. Before not use try and finally, error is occurred. So error is occurred means the condition is terminated here. Okay. Both the try and catch is not executed. Why means if you see this here, one condition is there. Problem is outside the try block. See this problem is outside the try block. This is the error condition statement. Okay, problem started, error coming. If problem is started, error coming. See this in this condition. If cursor is enter into try block, then finally is executed. Okay, so are you understood? If cursor is enter into try block only, then finally is executed. If cursor is not executed into try block and in the statement is passed, after that we can enter into the try block, then only finally is executed. Okay, so try block is see this. If cursor is not entered into try block, okay, the statement is not passed here, the try block is not entered here, then the finally is also failed here. Are you understood? If the statement is outside try block is failed, try and finally both are not executed. If the statement is passed outside the try method, okay, then cursor is enter into the try method, then only finally will be executed. If cursor is not entered into the try block, okay, finally is not executed here. Okay, once controller is enter into the try block, then only finally block is executed. Okay, otherwise it is not executed. Next we will go for another code. See this. I can remove this line. I can give system.exit into the try block. See here. System.exit. Okay. System.exit. I can give into here. Here, what is this one? System.exit means JVM got shut down here. JVM got shut down here. This is case 2. So in that first one, cursor is not entered into try block, then finally is not execute. That is one statement. Okay. If you use the try block with the system.exit, okay, this is also finally is also not execute. This is case 2. So stop the process. If you write like this, okay, this is the process. The process is stopped here in the JVM block. Okay. See this condition, JVM got shut down, then finally is not executed. Finally block is not executed here. In this case, no output. Why means exit statements comes first. See this exit statement comes first before finally method. Then JVM got shut down here. Remaining statements are not executed in this condition. Okay. System.exit means right before try block. Right. This is used right. Okay. See this. I can save the file and run it. See this only try block will be executed by means okay, the JVM is shut down the method, completely shut down the JVM method in try block only. So not entered into the final block. The rest of the method is also not executed here in this condition. This is what? This is a abnormal termination. Okay, this is the abnormal termination. See this, if I can give the system not out, okay, method in be out of the try block, okay, before try block. So what is the output? See here, save, okay, and run it. No output will become. Okay, why means before try block, the JVM got shut down here. Before try block, the JVM got shut down here. So that here that the process is terminated here. So that's why not enter into the try block and finally. Okay, system.exit means JVM got shut down. It is terminate the application process or terminate the program flow. Okay, this is what? This is the okay. This is the finally uses. Okay.